Welcome to Healthy Mindspace. I'm Mike Grant. I'm so glad you've joined me here today. In this moment, I want you to just take a deep breath. Let go of the noise outside. You're exactly where you need to be. This is your space and your time. Let's find some peace together. Today, I want to share something important with you. Not just information, but a story. There was a time when everything felt heavy. Waking up felt difficult. Even small decisions felt overwhelming. Maybe you know this feeling. That quiet sense of being stuck, even when you're moving, overthinking everything, doubting yourself, feeling stuck without knowing why. It can feel like you're carrying too much, in silence. But that's not where the story ends. One day, everything felt like too much, and a simple question came up. What if I don't have to stay this way? What if change is possible? What if the path out isn't a giant leap, but a single step? They didn't change everything overnight. They started small, taking a walk, speaking kindly to themselves, letting go of perfection. And slowly, something began to shift. The weight started to lift. Peace is not something you find instantly. It is something you build, step by step, day by day. And you are capable of that. You have the strength inside you to start today. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. This is Healthy Mindspace. I'm Mike Grant. I'll see you in the next one. One step at a time, one thought at a time.